Number 4 is LOTMAXX Shark V3 3D printer. With the LOTMAXX Shark V3 3D printer, schools can take their creativity to the next level. This 3D printer offers a modular design that integrates 3D printing and laser engraving, making it suitable for DIY homeschool projects. It's compatible with PLA/PLA+/ABS flexible filaments, and when using laser engraving, you can carve on bamboo, ceramic tile, wood, leather, and craft paper. One of the best key features of the LOTMAXX Shark V3 is its smart G-sensor auto-leveling, which ensures more accurate leveling and higher detection sensitivity. It also offers ultra-fast cooling and supports night mode, making it an excellent option for printing in dark environments. Plus, it has an ultra-silent drive system, so you won't notice it printing in the background. Another great feature is the easy assembly process. With just a few screws, you can complete the assembly and start printing in 10 minutes. The LOTMAXX Shark V3 3D printer is an excellent option for schools looking to explore their creativity fun and engagingly. Its modular design, intelligent leveling, fast cooling, and silent drivers make it a standout choice for students and educators. If you are interested in the superb 3D printer, check out the link in the description box and purchase it.